In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit checkout settings in BigCommerce. If you want to streamline your store's checkout experience without touching any code, this is exactly where to start. The checkout is the final mile of your customer's journey, and even small changes can reduce friction and improve conversions. So let's walk through how to get to the right place and what you can adjust once you're there. From your BigCommerce control panel, begin by opening Settings. Depending on your store's navigation, these options may also appear under Advanced Settings, so don't worry if the wording looks slightly different in your dashboard. Once you're in the appropriate area, click Checkout. That will take you to the hub for core checkout configuration you can manage without any development work. On the checkout page, you'll see options that influence how customers move from cart to confirmation. Think of this area as the command center for ease, clarity, and compliance. You can shape whether shoppers can check out as guests or whether accounts are encouraged, making it easier for returning customers while still removing barriers for first-time buyers. You'll also find controls around the information you collect, such as whether certain fields are optional or required. Reducing unnecessary fields can speed up the process, while keeping essential data ensures orders are fulfilled accurately. You may see settings related to addresses and contact details, like whether to request a phone number or enable address helpers to reduce typing errors. There are often toggles for order comments, which can help customers communicate delivery notes, and for policy acknowledgments, such as agreeing to terms or return policies at checkout. If you display taxes, shipping estimates, or discounts during checkout, these settings help you keep costs transparent and avoid surprises that cause cart abandonment. Brand presentation matters here too. Clear labels, concise instructions, and consistent language all help reassure customers that they're in the right place and that the process is secure. If you offer marketing opt-ins or post-purchase communication, this is where you define how those preferences appear so they're respectful and compliant with regulations in your region. As you review these options, think about your store's goals: minimizing friction for new shoppers, supporting repeat buyers, and maintaining accuracy for fulfillment and customer support. The beauty of this page is that you can make meaningful improvements without code, directly from your dashboard. That's all there is to it. Go to Settings or Advanced Settings, click Checkout, and use this dedicated page to tailor the core checkout experience to your business needs.